Today I'm going to show you how to download Python so you can start making scripts with Python. First of all, you have to go to python.org. When you're there, you can download the latest version of Python. That's this for me, 3.11.4. If you have installed, you have to go to your downloads folder and double click the Python icon. Then you see this window where you can click on add python.x to path, and then you can click on install now. So then if it's successful, you can close it. And now you should find your Python app on your PC, or when you go to search, you can search it and find it there. So this was step 1. Now you have to download another thing that's called Pyharm. If we go to Pyharm, we can click on this first link and download the community version. So Pyharm is a code editor. It is the most popular code editor for Python, where you can write your code. Pyharm is connected to your Python app. Now when it's finished, you have to double click it again. So welcome to Pyharm community editor setup. Next, you can go to next, and then to install. So now it is installing everything. So then you click on finish, and what you have to do next is you have to go and find your Pyharm. So I'm going to open Pyharm, and now I confirm and accept. I click on continue. So when you open Pyharm, you should see this. Then you can click on new project, and here you can choose the name of your project and where it should save the project. I'm going to call it Hello World. So Hello World, yeah, that's one of the basic things you learn in nearly every tutorial. Then you can click on create. Now it is creating this, but you don't need something like this. And now we can see our Hello World project with 2 things that we don't need yet. And then you can click on this thing, and it is expanding your folder. We have the venv virtual environment. We don't need this yet. And there's our Python script. We can double click it, and it is this. I opened it. Now you can type in your scripts, and you can start coding. So, and now we are going to learn one of the most basic things you can code. We're going to type in print. Print means that it is going to write something. Then we are going to add brackets, and then we are going to add quotes. In Python, you can type quotes with double quotes or with single quotes. You can choose one of them. I'm going to use the double quotes because I think it is looking better than with single quotes. And now, if you've done that correctly, you can type in hello world. And now it means that this is going to print our hello world. So if you are going to click this little icon that says run, and then we have the quotes and our main, that is the name of the script right over here, this, we can run our code. And now we can see that the program wrote hello world. And you can write anything between these two quotes. We can write I love tomatoes. And now if we are going to click on run, it says I love tomatoes. Now you've learned one of the most basic things that you can write in Python. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial and it helped you to install Python and write a single line of code. If you have any question, please let me know in the comments, and I hope you have a wonderful morning, evening and afternoon. I hope I see you in the next tutorials that are also about scripting and coding in Python, and I hope I see you then. Bye!